So morning we have seen models, views, and multi-models and tuples. So what is the use of tuples? We can understand. Main the advantage. Overview model. The first thing is we are going to reducing the coding because in a view model we are adding extra two more list objects, right? So now if we are using tuples, we don't want a separate controller class for applying faculty one list and students another list. Obviously, it is going to reducing the coding for view model class. And it has one disadvantage. That disadvantage is no readability. Example, if we have written in a view model, we can directly say that model dot item. What is item? It is not having a complete meaning. If it is in a view model, generally in a view model, we can easily identify model dot faculties. The another one model dot students, something like this. But whereas here we can write model dot item 2. So what is item 1, what is item 2, all these having some, whoever has written that code, they can understand directly item 1 for faculties and item 2 for students. So that is one thing. And we can write maximum of these many number of models is 7. Only 7 types is max. We cannot write more than 7 items in a tuples. Okay. So first one is model and second one is tuple. The another one is partial view approach. Earlier we have seen the design for partial view, design the partial view and apply that part of the design wherever we want, we are rendering. Now, maybe the same type of functionality we want in couple of pages again and again. For that, we don't want to call again, we can reuse it. Then we can use partial view approach. So in this, always we know it is especially used for reusability. Either you want the design or you want the coding, both the two. Now, what is the requirement is for something like display the faculties with one view and students with one view. Faculties and the students with one view. So display faculties list and display students list and display faculties and as well as students list. All these things we need it. Okay. So for this, what we have to do, we want to apply all these faculties collection and students collection to the partial view. Here in this home controller, this is Triangle technique. Pallavi, open the project. Morning we have done a multi-model. How it is today? Multiple model app. The first one, first application. Just to click on it. Left side, recent projects. First one. No, not here. Below recent projects and solutions. Second one. So now here we have done one is this is one is for faculties list. The second one is students list, and the third one is both the two faculties and as well as students. So individually, if we need it, we can apply from here, and if both the two, then we can apply from tuples. Right? So now what we have to do, we need to render both the two things. So for this, we have to write one is for render faculties. This is faculties. Now we can write the one partially. And we can write one more. Here one more thing will come, something like strongly typed view. Go to libraries and this different options.
Can you try from Solution Explorer add so that maybe we can get strongly type? Actually, that should come. I have seen.
Yeah. Otherwise, automatically the model will create because in version
Yeah.
Visual Studio
Yes.
2012
Yeah.
it will give, and maybe it is 2015 internally.
Mm.
One second.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Scaffolding comes. I mean, it's scaffolding like that. It comes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So it is by default here one more checkbox is there. It's something like create a strongly typed view. Once we are selected, then it will open this. Now they are hiding that option directly in 2015. They have given which model
Mm.
details you want. So automatically it will prepare.
Okay.
But here as create a partial view. Okay, so earlier is we are adding directly a view, and now we are going to check this particular checkboxes, create a partial view. Now we can click on OK, add it. Now we can bind the data. Index. Table. Go to the partial view. We can add here. Now this is packages. It is a model, right? Model does not exist, but the builder errors are not. Build succeeded, failed is zero. Up to date. Okay. Now the same way, the same thing. One more thing in the Render. Here, what is this window? Okay, zoom out. Now we will screen. Take this one. Now the same one more partial view and a view. Select the student window, go to partial view. Now the same thing you can assign students. Here we can bring properties. Now go to home container, where we can create index. Add on. Now this is normal view. This is not a partial view. faculty's details. Now we can find one is number of faculties, the other one is faculties. And the same thing we can assume for session cluster. Did you close coloring? Maybe by mistake it is closed. Could you please accept again? Pallavi? Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, అది అనిపించే పల్లవి. కింద. Okay. So now we can assign this one. Another one more thing. Details. Now here it is random students. Random students, another one is random faculty. So now the problem is if you want the same data again and again for many pages, like one is for administrator, the other one is faculty, and another one is student. Their menus and all everything is different, but they need to see the same design and as well as code. At that time, we don't want to use all these in a view pages differently. We can create one partial view, apply that partial view to all the remaining pages. Executing change request. Directly apply the meaning controls from